Hey, I'm Jenny Faye and I'm an easy baker. Today we're going to learn how you can freeze your frosting so you can have it ready whenever you want it. If you've watched my tutorial on freezing cupcakes, you know that my friends think that I have cupcake superpowers. But really, I just know how to use my freezer. So I have a bowl of vanilla frosting that I just made. You can check out one of my other videos to find out how to make that. I have a freezer bag that I've labeled vanilla frosting, so I know what it is. And I am going to put this freezer bag over a cup so that it stands up on its own because I am not hands-eye coordinated enough to be able to make it stand up without a cup. Then from my bowl of yummy frosting, I'm just gonna start scooping this into the bag. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this all in the bag. We're gonna leave it in the freezer until the day we want to use it. Then when we use it, I literally just put it on the counter in the morning. Like if I need it for the evening, I take the frosting out, I put it on the counter in the morning, and by the time evening comes, it's the right consistency to be able to pipe onto my cupcakes. So that's all we're gonna do now, and then join me again. I'll pick up with you when I'm ready to use this and show you just what to do. So here is our frozen frosting. It's been a couple of months since I made it and threw it in the freezer. I've been traveling a lot and haven't had time to use it, but my friend's birthday's coming up. So with my frozen frosting, rock solid, I'm gonna leave it on the counter all night, and then by tomorrow morning, it's gonna be ready for me to use. So my frosting's been sitting out all night. It's nice and soft, and it's time to frost our cupcakes. I take a freezer bag, and I'm just gonna snip off the tiniest corner. Then I like to use a 2D piping tip. And this is my cheater's way to do a frosting bag, pastry bag. I'm just gonna shove that into the corner that I cut off. And then my other trick is to roll it down over a cup. This keeps my bag sturdy and standing up. And now for my frosting, that's all ready to go. All I'm gonna do is snip off the corner, drop it into my new bag, and now I am ready to frost. So my friend's birthday is coming up and I wanted to have some cupcakes for, but didn't really have time to make them. So here they are. These are cupcakes that I literally pulled out of the freezer just now. You remember this frosting just came out of the freezer, and now I am going to use it to frost. And there we have it. My cupcakes are ready to give to my friend for her birthday. Very little effort today because remember, I had the cupcakes already in the freezer made. If you haven't already, you can check out my other Easy Baker video about how to freeze your cupcakes. And I had the frosting already made and frozen in the freezer, so I just pulled it out last night. You guys can do the same thing. If you've always got cupcakes in your freezer and you've always got frosting in your freezer, then you're ready whenever you might need cupcakes to just assemble them and walk out the door with them. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed all my tips and tricks. Be sure to subscribe to the Easy Baker channel so that you can always be up to date on the latest Easy Baker videos. Thanks, see you next time.